Alright, we're rolling. Good morning. Ocean Beach Yoga. Sunday, again. I got my dog with me. Can you see her? Let's see. Hey Felicity, you wanna say hi? You're on camera. Wait, stay. Say hi. It's Mr. Pewter. Alright, we got the ocean behind me. I got done moving in yesterday. I need to take a shower, but I'm gonna do my yoga first. And then get back to doing whatever I was gonna do. Oh, songwriting. I'm not awake yet. Took Felicity for a long walk this morning. I'm in a new place. We walk along the ocean, the cliffs, Sunset Cliffs. Really nice. Need music. Let's see. I got juggling is what I start with. This I cut from my shirt. I'm gonna make a headband, wet it, put it around my neck, maybe for the dog. So you want the ocean view today? I don't know, let's see. Pussy looks happy right there. This morning. The smell of garbage is in the air. Somebody knocked over a garbage can. Left all this stuff all over the place. Surf's up, man. A lot of surfers out there. Be nice. Don't be pulling my bag. I scored an Audi Eddie Bauer bag at Goodwill. $15. Be nice. Stop. She's another dog. Cute little dog. I'm by in the background. Green harness. What's the play? What else? Do some knee ups. Did this yesterday in bed, throwing it straight up. 15 minutes. Yes. You always itch when you get excited. Why is that? Physical therapy. Don't disappear. No. God wants to pull away. No. Too far. Say hi. Stop. Don't pull. Want to see him say hi? Hey, don't pull a bag. Pull my bag all over the place. Be nice. Be nice. You want them to play? It's okay? Did they play?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, hold on. Go ahead. That's Felicity. Don't disappear now. Stay over here. Look at her. Roman over here. You gonna play? You gonna play? Come over here. Felicity, come here. Yeah, this is her routine. She plays hard to get, has to sniff everything else around, and then eventually she'll come back to the dog. Come here. Come on. All right, I'm gonna call it early because I gotta keep an eye on her.